Ever wondered how to whip up a nourishing meal that's as tasty as it is healthy? Well, today we're diving into the world of delicious and nutritious chicken recipes that are sure to satisfy your taste buds and keep your health in check. First up, we have the grilled lemon herb chicken. To make this, you'll need chicken breasts, fresh lemon juice, olive oil, minced garlic, fresh rosemary and thyme, and salt and pepper to taste. Start by mixing lemon juice, olive oil, minced garlic, chopped rosemary, thyme, salt, and pepper in a bowl. Marinate the chicken breasts in this mixture for at least 30 minutes, then grill the chicken until fully cooked. The result? A juicy and flavorful chicken dish that's bursting with zesty flavors. Next, we're moving on to baked pesto chicken. For this recipe, you'll need chicken thighs, pesto sauce, cherry tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, and salt and pepper to taste. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the chicken thighs in a baking dish. Spread pesto sauce over each thigh, add cherry tomatoes, and top with mozzarella. Bake until the chicken is cooked through and the cheese is melted and bubbly. This dish is a perfect blend of savory pesto and creamy mozzarella. Last but not least, we have the quinoa chicken salad bowl. You'll need cooked shredded chicken breast, quinoa, halved cherry tomatoes, diced cucumber, sliced avocado, fresh cilantro, lime juice, olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. Cook quinoa according to package instructions and let it cool. In a large bowl, combine shredded chicken, quinoa, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, avocado, and cilantro. Drizzle with lime juice and olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and toss gently. This salad is a refreshing and hearty option for a light lunch or dinner. So, there you have it. 3 healthy and mouth-watering chicken recipes. These dishes are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients essential for a balanced diet. Try them out and experience the joy of cooking and eating healthy. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more healthy recipes. Until next time, stay healthy and enjoy your cooking adventures.